Experienced Long Island accident lawyer personal injury attorneys. When an accident strikes, life can shift in an instant. A moment of carelessness from someone else can leave you facing medical bills, time off work, and an uncertain future. You don't have to go through this alone. If someone else's negligence caused your injury, you may have the right to seek compensation and start rebuilding your life. New York law is on the side of the injured. At L Sanchez Law Office, PC, the focus is on helping accident victims on Long Island get justice and the financial help they need. Whether you're dealing with physical recovery or emotional trauma, having someone to guide you through the legal maze makes a difference. Knowing your legal options after an accident. New York operates under a no-fault system for vehicle accidents, which means medical bills and lost wages are generally covered by the driver's insurance. However, if injuries meet a certain level of severity, you may pursue additional compensation through a personal injury claim. This applies to all types of accidents: car crashes, workplace incidents, construction mishaps, premises liability claims, and more. Drivers have a legal duty to yield to pedestrians in crosswalks. If that duty is broken, Vehicle and Traffic Law Section 600 requires them to stop, offer their information, and call the police. Failing to do so is a crime. Victims can still build a strong case with timely medical reports, photos, or even a witness's name. A personal injury lawyer can help you prove negligence, deal with insurance companies, and file claims that might otherwise be delayed or denied. With legal support, you protect your rights and increase your chances of getting full compensation. Why hiring a Long Island accident lawyer matters. Facing years of recovery and financial stress after an injury can feel overwhelming. A personal injury attorney can make sure you're not left to handle it alone. If you're unsure who was at fault or you're being blamed, getting legal help can protect you from countersuits or false claims. A skilled accident attorney can negotiate with insurance companies, calculate the true value of your losses, and take your case to court if necessary. L Sanchez Law Office, PC has a team that reconstructs events, collects evidence, and subpoenas witnesses when needed. This kind of detailed support often makes a real difference in outcomes. What is personal injury compensation and how does it work? After an accident, you may be eligible for different forms of compensation depending on your situation. These include medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, pain and suffering, and future care costs. If you can't return to your previous job, you may also be entitled to compensation for lost earning capacity. New York's statute of limitations gives you 3 years from the date of your injury to file a personal injury lawsuit. But if you're suing a town or municipal entity, that window is shorter, just 90 days to file a notice of claim and 1 year and 90 days to file a suit. Missing those deadlines can cost you your case. Understanding these time limits is vital. Insurance companies won't take negotiations seriously if they know you can no longer sue. A lawyer can ensure deadlines are met and rights are preserved. At L Sanchez Law Office, PC, we stand with injury victims throughout Long Island and New York City. Call 646-701-7990 or visit our office at 3763 83rd Street #1 meter, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States, to schedule a consultation and protect your rights today.